Welcome. I'm glad to see you all today. Topic of our course today is the 5 product labels. It's related to understand consumer value. I'm Professor Tsai. Our course type is English as medium of instruction. The framework is focused on the Kotler's product label model, and we will have 15 minutes of focus on marketing and consumer behavior. Let's start with the question. Why do people pay so much for an iPhone when a cheaper smartphone can do the same things? Is it about function or is it about feeling? Today, we will find out that a product is more than just a product. It's made of different levels of value. In this lesson, you will first understand the 5 products label. We will learn Kotler's framework. Let's explain how products create values at different levels. Second, we will analyze consumer needs. Discover each label related to consumer needs and job to be done concept. Third, apply to real-world examples. Use the framework to analyze products like iPhone and coffee in English. So, by the end of the video, you will not only understand the model, you will be able to use it like a real market. According to Philip Kotler, every product has 5 labels, from the most basic benefit to its future potential. Let's see this figure. The first one is core benefit. Core benefit is what the customers really wants. Second, basic product, the physical item. Third, expected product is what the consumer expects when buying. Fourth, augmented product is extra service or features that make it unique. Finally, potential product is a future improvement or innovations. Each label adds more value and meaning for consumers. Let's use a simple example. Case 1, Starbucks coffee. Do you know what is the Starbucks coffee's 5 labels of product? Could you imagine what's that? Okay, like this. The first, core benefit. For the coffee, we want it, maybe it's like energy or refreshment. The second, what is the basic product of Starbucks coffee? It's hot drink with caffeine. Okay, and third, expected product. What is that? For the coffee, maybe it's tasty flavor, clean cup. 4. Augmented product. For the coffee is cozy environment, Wi-Fi reverse. And finally, potential product maybe is about personalized recommendations or sustainability. This is about the coffee's 5 label example. So we see Starbucks is not just selling coffee, it's selling an experience. Then we see the case 2 is about iPhone. Could you imagine what is the 5 product labels of iPhone? The first one, co-benefit. What's that? For the iPhone, the co-benefit is about the connection and communication. It's the co-benefit of iPhone. The second, what's the best product? It's about the smartphone hardware and the device. The third, what is the expected product of iPhone? It's high quality camera, sleek design. So the fourth argumented product is App Store, iCloud, warranty, support. Finally, potential product of iPhone is AI integration, AR features, future innovations, like that. So, by understanding these 5 layers, we see how Apple built total product value that goes far beyond the device itself. So, in this slide, we will see Apple's value proposition. Apple doesn't just say phones. They say experience, innovation, and lifestyle. Each level add value that justified the price. So we maybe have the key insight here is by understand all 5 levels. And we will see how successful brands create total product value that goes far beyond the physical device. Now, when you understand the 5 product levels, we will see the 5 product level again. First one, co-benefit. Second, best product. Third, expected product. Fourth, augmented product. And finally, potential product. You can imagine not only the product, but for the service, it includes the 5 levels of that. So you can imagine that, like product for iPhone, Nike running shoes, Coca-Cola, Samsung TV, or Lego building sets. This is all about the product of that. You can imagine, you can think about or design the 5 product labels of that. But in other ways, now we have some different service. It's different from the products. For the service, maybe it have the 5 levels. Like Uber, what is its co-benefit? Starbucks, Amazon Prime, Airbnb, Spotify. This is the different, but is similar and related to the products. And sometimes we can buy something, it is include product and service. So all of you can imagine, can think about that. What is the product label? 5 product label, and maybe they have the 5 service label, and maybe it have the 5 product and the service label. So it's a good point of that. Think about that. Now, why do consumers choose one product over another? Because each product fulfills a different job. Why? We can have the theory about the JTBD and the consumer needs. So we will understand consumer motivation. The 5 product labels help us understand what consumer truly value. But why do they choose one product over another? JTBD theory is Customer hire a product to get a job done. Consumer doesn't buy product. They buy solution to their problem and fulfillment of their needs. Classic example is people buy a drill, not because they want a drill, but because they want a hole. So they buy a drill, right? And then we will connection to product labels. The 5 product labels help us identify and communicate the job each label fulfills, from core benefit to potential future value. Now it's your turn. Let's do a quick activity. Think, pair, and share. Step 1. Think about one product you love. Maybe Nike shirt, Netflix, or Tesla. Step 2. Write down its 5 product labels. Step 3. Share your idea with your classmates. This activity helps you connect a theory with real life and practice using English to explain marketing ideas. Let's quick review the key points. The 5 product labels are called basic, expected, augmented, and potential product. So each label adds new meaning and value of consumer. So great marketers don't sell product. They sell meaning and fulfill needs and aspirations. So great marketers don't sell product. They sell meanings. This is the saying of Philip Kotler. For this topic of today, we introduce the first one, 5 products label. The 5 products label include core benefit, basic, expected, augmented, and potential product. This is the first one topic. And then we will know that great marketers don't say products, they say meanings. What is meanings? Meanings is follow the JTBD theory, job to be done theory. Customer hire a product to get a job done. Because they get a job done, so they will need the product. For what? To have the value they can get from the product, to let something to be finished and to finish their work, their job, etc. So the core benefit may be the value of something, about to get some job done. And then they will have the more value. Add value 1 is maybe about the basic product. Maybe they will have more add value 2, add value 3, and add value 4. Because the product or the service, they have the 5 product label. So it includes all of the value and add value of their different label. So they will to pay the price to buy something, and the price will equal to the value they think, they fear, or percept. Finally, before we finish, here's your homework. Choose one product from your daily and daily life and identify its 5 levels. Then explain why the core benefit means most to you. This is the 4th step. Choose a product, identify the 5 levels, analyze the core benefit, and optional present. Next class, you can share your analysis in English. Remember, understanding these 5 levels help you become a smarter consumer and a more strategic marketer. Like the key takeaway, remember the 5 levels of product help us understand how consumers see value. Successful products connect deeply with need and emotion. Remember this sentence that great marketers don't sell products, they sell meanings. See you next time. I am Professor Tsai.